Hey everyone, it's GCP Decode. In this video, we'll discuss the solution for this lab. After starting the lab, open your Google Cloud Console in incognito window. Then simply enable your Google Cloud cell from here. Then come on to lab instruction page. Then come on to task number 1. Simply scroll down. You will get all these codes. You have to run it one by one. So copy the first code, paste it here and hit enter. Then second code, paste, enter. Okay, done. Then copy third code, paste and enter. And let's do one thing. Copy this zone and paste it somewhere for the future use. Then copy this fourth code, paste and hit enter. Now scroll down a little bit. You can skip this section, which is finding project information. Scroll down and from this setting environment variable, copy this first code, paste and hit enter. Okay, done. Then copy this second code, paste and enter. Then copy the third code, enter. Now we have to create a VM instance. So copy this code and make sure to replace this zone word with your zone. So copy this code and let me show you what you have to do. So simply remove this zone word with the dollar sign and also remove that dollar sign and then copy your zone and then paste it here and hit enter. Simply wait for some time. Then you will get this type of information. This type of output. This means that we are done with this task. Simply scroll down and click on check my progress for task number 1. You will get the green tick here. Okay, so we have got the green tick. Scroll down a little bit. No need to do all this exploring Google Cloud commands. Scroll down and come on to the task number 2. Copy the first code from the task number 2, paste and hit enter. Done. Then copy the second code, paste and enter. Done. Then copy the third code, paste and enter. Done. Then scroll down, copy this fourth code, paste and enter. Done. Then copy this fifth code, paste and enter. Now come on to the task number 3. Again, we have to replace this zone word with our zone, which is there in lab instruction page. Simply replace this zone and copy your zone, paste it here, hit enter. Now simply press Y and enter. Now you have to press enter without entering any text. So simply press enter and press enter again. Done. Now wait for some time. Okay. Then you will get this type of interface. This means we are done with this code. Then come on to lab instruction page. Scroll down a little bit. Now we have to use this command, which is sudo apt install. Copy this, paste it here and hit enter. Now wait for some time. Okay, done. Now copy this exit, paste and enter. Okay, done. Now come on to this task number 4. We have to update the firewall. So copy this first code, paste and enter. Okay, done. Now come on to this second code of this fourth task. Now here we can face error. Enter. Wait for some time. Okay, So we did not get any error. This means we are done, and click on the and then we have to run this fourth code, paste and enter. I was saying because maybe you can get the error in this code, which is in point number 3 of point task number 4. Maybe you can get the error. So I didn't get the error. That's good. So simply scroll down. If you are done with this code, means this code, you will get this type of interface. Then simply copy this check my progress. Simply click on this check my progress. You will get the green tick here. And maybe we are done with this lab. Okay, so we are done with this lab. Now you can simply end the lab. And let me tell you one thing. If you run this code, which is from point number 3 of task number 4, and you face any error, let me know in the comment section. I will help you with that error. I have not get the error, but maybe you can get the error after running this code. And if you get the error, let me know in the comment section. So we are done with this lab. You can simply end this lab. And if you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section. And if you like this tutorial, simply hit the like and subscribe button.